Hi Sam. How are you today?
I'm doing well, Alex. Excited to learn something new.
Great to hear. Today, we are learning the word
Antrag.
Antrag.
What does that mean?
Antrag.
means application or request. It's often used in formal contexts, like applying for something. The most common meaning is application, but be careful, as it can sometimes be confused with contract, which is
Vertrag. Deutsch.
Interesting. So how do we use
Antrag.
in a sentence?
for sure.
Der Antrag.
Is a masculine noun, so it uses the article.
Der.
The plural form is.
Die Anträge.
You can say,
Ich stelle einen Antrag.
which means I am submitting an application.
And how would I say that in the past?
In the past tense, you would say,
Ich stellte einen Antrag.
for the perfect, you would say,
Ich habe einen Antrag gestellt.
Got it. So,
Stellen.
means to submit.
exactly. You can also use the imperative form and say,
Stell einen Antrag.
meaning submit an application.
This is fascinating. Where does the word
Antrag.
come from?
The word
Antrag.
comes from the Old High German word,
Antragen.
which means to bring forward. Over time, it evolved to mean a formal request or application.
That's really cool. I love learning about the history of words.
Now let's break it down. The word
Antrag.
consists of the prefix and the root.
Trag.
The prefix gives the sense of direction, while
Trag.
comes from the root meaning to carry or to bear. Together, it conveys the idea of bringing something forward.
That makes sense.
Additionally, let's look at some similar words. For example, words starting with the prefix include
Anmelden.
which means to register, and
Anrufen.
meaning to call.
So those are like actions you take.
Yes. And words with the suffix
Trag.
include,
Zugtrag.
which means a type of transport, and
Aushangtrag.
referring to a notice board.
I see the connections.
Now let's practice some real-life situations where you might use
Antrag.
Imagine you are applying for a job. You can start with
Ich möchte einen Antrag für die Stelle stellen.
Okay, so I would say,
Ich möchte einen Antrag für die Stelle stellen.
perfect. Another situation could be at the bank. You might say,
Ich möchte einen Antrag auf ein Darlehen stellen.
I think I got it.
Ich möchte einen Antrag auf ein Darlehen stellen.
excellent. Lastly, if you're at a university, you could say,
Ich habe einen Antrag für die Zulassung eingereicht.
So, that means I submitted an application for admission.
exactly. You're doing great.
I remember you mentioned the gender. Any tips for remembering it?
Yes. A good pattern is that many masculine nouns in
Deutsch.
and in.
Rag.
For a vivid image, you could think of a man holding an application in one hand and a big A4
Antrag.
in the other.
That's a fun image.
Now, let's talk about usage notes. The word
Antrag.
is quite formal, so you typically use it in official contexts. Common phrases include
Einen Antrag stellen. Einen Antrag einreichen.
and,
Einen Antrag ablehnen.
And are there similar words I should watch out for?
yes, the word
Vertrag.
is a common one that some learners confuse with.
Antrag.
Remember,
Vertrag.
means contract, while
Antrag.
is an application. Let's look at some example sentences. For instance,
Ich habe meinen Antrag eingereicht.
means I submitted my application.
Got it.
Another example is
Stellte einen Antrag für das Stipendium.
meaning he submitted an application for the scholarship.
That's useful.
And you could also say,
Wir haben den Antrag genehmigt.
which means we approve the application.
So many ways to use it.
Now, let's do a quick recall check. What is the gender of
Antrag.
It's masculine, right?
correct? What's the plural form?
Die Anträge.
Great. Can you give me the present tense form for?
Ich.
Ich stelle einen Antrag.
Exactly. What about the past tense?
Ich stellte einen Antrag.
Perfect. Lastly, can you give me an example of a situation where you would use
Antrag.
At the bank, I would say,
Ich möchte einen Antrag auf ein Darlehen stellen.
Well done, Sam. To summarize, we learned that
Antrag.
means application or request. It's a masculine noun with the plural.
Anträge.
And it has a rich history.
I really enjoyed this lesson.
I'm glad to hear that. Keep practicing, and you'll master it in no time.